Good day everyone, welcome to my channel. So in this video guys, we will talk about what is Kubernetes. Before we start, I would like to say thank you so much to all my viewers, silent viewers, and supporters in my channel. Thank you for watching my videos. If you are new with my channel and then you like this video, please hit the like button. Don't forget to share and please support my channel guys by clicking the subscribe button. So let's begin. What is Kubernetes? Kubernetes is an open source container orchestration system for automating software deployment, scaling, and management. Originally designed by Google, the project is now maintained by a worldwide community of contributors, and the trademark is held by Cloud Native Computing Foundation. Okay guys, so this is the end of my video on what is Kubernetes is all about. Thank you so much for listening and watching my videos. Please like, share, and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you so much for your support. Until then, this is your friend Jake saying bye bye for now.